Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Anthropology for UPSC by Simplified IAS Academy. In today's video, I am going to tell you about our Aarambh Series 3.0, which is a guidance and an answer writing program specially meant for beginners who are going to start their anthropology journey. And we have already finished 2 batches and we have got very good response for that, which is why we are launching the third batch for this program. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the details of it. So we all face this situation whenever we are going to start our preparation journey. I was actually in this situation when I was completely clueless where to start anthropology, what to read, what not to read, how to finish it. And let me tell you very frankly, it took me a good amount of time to finish the entire syllabus because I was not having any guidance at that point of time. I was clueless. I wasted my time in trying a lot of things here and there, and eventually that costed me months. So, if you are going to start your preparation, then you need not to face this situation, which is why this RM series is there for you. So, what we are basically going to do in this program, so we have divided the entire syllabus of anthropology in the micro schedule. And with the help of this, you are going to finish your complete syllabus in 2.5 months. And not just finish, you are also going to do the answer writing, which is the most important part of your preparation. Then how you're going to do it? So once you enroll for the program, we are going to give you the detailed micro schedule. Along with that, we are going to assign you the videos and the targets for each day so that you are going through all those details and finishing the assigned topic. There are certain prerequisite, of course, for this, which is a comprehensive note. You can get a ready-made comprehensive note anywhere, and if you want to make on your own and your speed is little good, you can make it on your own self also. And once you finish the particular target for that particular topic, along with the guidance that we provide you, along with the value added materials that is provided to you, and of course the regular mentorship. So suppose like you are having any kind of a doubt in any topic, you just need to write us an email and I'll reply to you over there. If needed, I will get on call with you and help you sort out that particular doubt. And all of this will happen in a time bound manner. And once you finish this topic, you are going to get the answer writing question for that. And once you write that answer and submit it, it will get evaluated and you will get to know what are the areas where you need to improve. And the very next day of your answer writing, you are going to get the model approaches. I hope till now it's very, very clear to you. Moving on, some of you might think like the videos are already available for free, then how it is going to benefit you. You are completely right when you think like this, but there is a catch. See, when you're watching the videos, you might be doing in a very unstructured manner. One. The second is if you get any doubt that may not get clarified, you are having no one to help you solve that. The third is you will be getting guidance at every stage, whether it is making strategy, whether it is any conceptual related doubt, or whether it is anything else apart from your preparation also. So you are going to finish it in a very structured manner along with the value added material that we are going to provide for you and also the answer writing that you're going to do. And as I said, apart from the answer writing that you're going to do, you're also going to get the model approaches for each answer writing that you're doing, which is in a way is going to add a value to your own notes also. So, just to summarize, you are having the doubt resolution, you are doing the time bound completion of your syllabus, you are having the additional materials where you are going to enrich your notes along with that. And just to summarize everything, here is the answer writing and the model approaches samples. So as you can see that you will be going to get the detailed feedbacks on your answer writing, and if you are following the schedule, you are going to get it evaluated within 4 days timeline, and just the very next day you are going to get the model approaches, right? Now, as I said, the evaluation will be done with a 4-day timeline, but you need to make sure that you are adhering to the schedule for that. If you're not adhering to the schedule, this is going to cost you in terms of your copy getting evaluated in terms of time. It might get like 10, 15 days, and sometimes it could be more than that as well. So I'm not promising, giving you any false promise that even if you submit your answer way beyond the schedule, it will get evaluated within 4 days. But yes, at the end of the day, it will get evaluated. But if you are submitting it beyond the scheduled time, it will get delayed, which could be more than the time that you think. Okay, so it's better to stick to the schedule. And the detailed feedback samples are also here for you to just have a look, like what you need to improve. But of course, depending upon like how much improvement that you need to have and how much like answer that you have written, the length of the feedback will vary, of course. Okay, and you will have the doubt resolution, as I said in the beginning also, that you can clarify any of your doubt. So there will be email doubt resolution every day whenever you want it. There will be 4 one-on-one mentorship session with you all, where every one of you will get a chance to discuss their strategy, their doubts, and anything apart from that, as I said. Okay, then we will have a 3 group sessions also. One will be a generic, the very first session, just after we start the program, in which we'll discuss about the program and the expectation and certain tips for you to make best out of it. The other 2 sessions will be mainly focused towards the previous year question discussions, how you should approach the particular question in UPSC, and how you should write an answer which is aligning with the demand of the UPSC. So, this is about the highlight of the program. So, first, you will do the syllabus completion in 2.5 months. You will have the answer writing along with the model approaches, and yes, you will also get the 2 full length tests at the end of this program, which again will get evaluated and the model approaches will be given. You will have the value added material for each topic. And then, as I said, the doubt resolution, mentorship sessions will be there, 3 group session, and the answer writing tips document that we will share as and when required throughout the program. So this is about the highlight of this program. Now coming to what is the fee structure of this program and how many seats are available. So there is only 50 seats. And as and when I discuss this with you, we have already got more than 50% of the seats filled. So if you are watching it and are a little late, there is a chance for you to enroll even now. And if you enroll by 12th of October, you are going to get a 50% discount and pay only 5500 as the fee, which is much lower than any of the program that you will get. So if you are watching the lecture till here and are interested in enrolling to the program, you can check out the more details in the links in description. And let us know if you have any doubt. You can even write to us an email or WhatsApp us on this number. We'll be happy to clarify all your doubts. And again, I just wanted to reiterate that this program is mainly focused for the beginners. If you are not a beginner and if you have completed your syllabus, just wait. We are coming for another program for you all. But if you're a beginner and watching this lecture, you should not miss this opportunity. With this, thank you so much.